Sell the trend, watch before using. In this video, we'll be giving you an honest review of Sell the Trend, a comprehensive dropshipping tool that could be a game changer for your e-commerce business. If you're thinking about using it, stick around. Links to the product are in the description below. Sell the Trend is designed for dropshippers who want to find winning products, source them efficiently, and scale their businesses with data-driven insights. One of the key features is the Nexus Research tool, which provides a curated list of trending products based on real-time data from multiple e-commerce platforms. This makes it easier to identify hot products before they get saturated. The platform also offers a store intelligence tool, allowing you to spy on competitors' stores, see their best-selling items, and replicate their success. Another standout feature is the built-in video ad creator. This is particularly useful for those who want to quickly generate engaging content to promote products on social media without the hassle of expensive video editing software. The platform also supports one-click product imports to your store, saving you time and reducing the complexity of managing your inventory. Sell the Trend is especially beneficial for dropshippers of all levels, from beginners to seasoned pros. Beginners will appreciate the intuitive interface and step-by-step guides, while experienced sellers will find value in the advanced analytics and competitive research tools. However, if you're not serious about scaling your business, or if you're just dabbling in dropshipping, the subscription cost might not be justified. In conclusion, Sell the Trend is a robust tool for anyone serious about succeeding in dropshipping. With its comprehensive features like product research, competitor analysis, and ad creation, it's well worth the investment for those committed to growing their e-commerce business. If this sounds like what you need, check the links in the description to get started. Thanks for watching.